machines. She has a gambling problem.
There's a thing I found on TikTok. It says you should be smart enough. And one of the things it says about gambling, it says you should be smart enough to know that gambling is not an investment.
Oh, yo, what the fuck?
Right? Right? They didn't build it because people wanted the money. They got bigger because you
Don't they got penny
money.
machines there?
Yes, but the least, okay, when it says a penny, the lowest you might pay is 60 cents, or 50 cents, or 40 cents. So that's what it is. They're called penny machines, but the lowest bet is 50 cents.
Okay.
Like,
Are they pennies or are they nickels now?
well, nickels,
Toss to
like the
me.
pennies are 60 cents. Theirs might be $3. You know, their minimum bet for the nickels.
Well,
I don't know because I never played no nickel.
when you go, don't you bring like 20 or 40? What do you bring?
I bring a lot.
Oh, you bring more than that? Okay.
I like to put in like 100 and then I like to get it back. Like if I see it's going too low, then I'll stop it.
There's the ES.
Okay, I lost $30.
Yep, thunderstorm warning, Pablo.
Yeah, your dad said the weather was really bad.
He's gonna love that. He likes that.
He likes the warning. You like when it beeps like that? Huh?
He's recording. He's recording his phone. Yeah, how long do you usually stay there? I mean, I know it all varies, but can you be there for 4 hours?
I could be there for 5 hours. In fact, when I crashed into the roundabout, that was probably because I was there too long after work. Like I was going home at 2 o'clock and I went in.
Yo, what the fuck?
I can totally see Veronica getting caught up in that.
They pay well there.
I don't think Veronica
The thunderstorm is.
Hey, did you ever check? See what Potawatomi pays for security?
wasn't much.
It wasn't much. Should be freaking high.
Probably not for at least for the mortgage that you're paying.
No, but I mean, it should be up there in money, like high 20s, shouldn't it?
Yeah, but
Maybe now, but I don't think it is.
he needs at least like.
Yo, that was caught on 4K.